This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Rhonda Koussevitzky. Beautiful home in very desirable Bridgewater subdivision in Plantation. Spacious, open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. Dining room and eat-in kitchen. Inside laundry area with newer washer and dryer. 2-car garage. Corner lot and a short walk to the community pool and park. Close to shopping. Make an offer and make this home your own. For more information, review the details below or contact Rhonda Koussevitzky at 954-914-5228.